Good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning, sir.
Oh my God. Okay, today let me tell you what are the common mistakes in the TAT. In spite of the last test, these mistakes have been repeated. I thought I will take a proper class and we will also make a video on this so that you are aware of the common mistakes which a candidate does while writing these TATs. So we are going to cover very quickly the TATs. I am going to exactly tell you what mistakes you people have committed in the TAT.
My dear friends, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell for all the latest updates and don't forget to follow us on Instagram.
You are aware that there are 12 stories. You get 30 seconds to write that story, 30 seconds to observe and 4 minutes to write that story. And the 12th one is a blank story. What is this psychological test about? It's about your subconscious mind, your unconscious mind. Okay? And it is exactly to know what you are from inside in your subconscious mind. What are your deep desires, your ambitions, and the real personality which is there inside you. Okay. Now let me tell you, in yesterday's various stories, the common mistakes you people have done are these. The first thing which I noticed is the observation of the picture is incorrect. You are not able to observe the picture correctly. I had told you in the last class, only thing you have to do is observe the picture, see what is happening in that picture, and try and imagine what could have led to this situation or what would have happened in the past and what is likely to happen in future. Simple thing which I told you, if you really consider this, you will be able to write a fairly good story. But in this case, now in observation, what kind of mistakes you have done? In today's story which I checked up, in one of the story, the scene is of, what was the first story?
Some people were standing like a tailor.
Yes, you are right now. It was a tailor shop. And you know the stories have come. I will tell you, all the candidates have written, none of you have written it's a tailor shop. You can easily make out it's a tailor shop. You can see he's taking the measurement, his clothing, there are a couple of people working and there is a chap who's going, his perhaps measurement is being taken. And the story is about the birthday celebration. That a birthday is being celebrated. And second one has written there is a party, a friends meeting after a long time. Look, there is a problem in the observation itself. In another story I saw, there is an army people and they are in the city without weapons. And the story which is made is they are going to launch an attack tomorrow. Okay, in one of the story. Similarly, the stories which you observe are entirely wrong, unfortunately. Till the time you are able to see the correct theme in the picture, you will not be able to write the correct story. So that is the first mistake, observation of the picture. In fact, I have noted down some other mistakes of others, like the tailor shop. Similarly, the soldiers in the city going to the war. In a football match, you can make out the chap is holding a football and he is likely to go for a football match is likely to take place. And you are writing a story on picnic. Is there any relation between a football and people are in the half pants? You can make out. So, do you think they will be going for a picnic? So, you know, this looks very unrealistic and it looks lack of common sense. So, this is a major mistake you people have done. Now, the second thing, do not change the setting and the mood. This I am repeating again. This setting which has been given is, you people generally come out with your own preconceived ideas. There are some stories in your mind and you tend to write those stories and therefore you change the setting. The setting which has been given, you are not supposed to change that. Your story has to be based on that. Okay? And the other is the change of mood. Now, in the picture, the mood of the people will be different. They may be sad, it may be happy mood, and whatever is the mood, you are not supposed to change that. Okay? And you cannot imagine in a hospital kind of scene that the mood is good. Can you write that? So, there is a man lying down in the hospital and you are saying that they all are in a positive mood. So, it can't be. They may be perhaps in a sad mood. Okay? The next is preconceived, made up and synthetic story, which in passing I told you. Because whatever story is in your mind, you basically fix that story in that. Okay? Next is just describing the picture. This is a common mistake initially. Now there is an improvement in you people. And otherwise, you are just describing the picture and putting a little bit extra effort in that. Ultimately saying these, like in a party scene, ultimately they met after a long time and went home happy. But basically you are trying to describe the picture. So description of the picture itself will not do. Is that understood? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next is why invent a problem where none exist. In a hotel scene, couple of guys are sitting in a hotel having a nice cup of coffee. Friends may be meeting after some time, and invariably some of you what they do, and to take the story ahead, you will say that there was a sudden blast in that and a lot of people got injured and there is a commotion and these guys, friends, thereafter ran, and you make up your story. There is no sign of that. So making a story like that, inventing a problem and then resolving that problem is not due, because this is a common problem with most of you. Now there is an improvement in some of you, but otherwise this is a common problem with. Do not try to invent the problem. And another thing which I have written is unrealistic story, impractical and unrelated to the solution. What do you understand by unrealistic story? There is a village scene in which some football match is going on. Now your story is making that hero of that man and straightway taking him to the world scene, and he became an international star, which looks a little awkward. Does it look practical? Does it look realistic? So you can say that he became captain of his team and later on he represented his district, and subsequently his dream was to become a national player and he became a national player. One can accept, he may have become a national player, but straight away that chap making an international star looks a little bit, too unrealistic. So that kind of picture should be avoided. Understood? Now other mistakes which people have done. Now before that, I go very quickly, I am going to ask two of you to see this picture and tell me what have you observed. Yeah. What is happening in this picture?
The lady is feeling sad and the man is lying on.
So what is it? What story you will make? You are an old hand, now very experienced. What story you will make?
It is a man lying on the bed after drinking alcohol.
Okay, after drinking. Okay, and?
And the woman is feeling sad.
Okay, you tell me.
सर दोनों ऑफिस में काम करते हैं सर, और एक दिन सर मैरिज एनिवर्सरी के दिन जब ये इनका मैरिज एनिवर्सरी रहती है, जब आते हैं तो देखता है कि हस्बैंड मतलब कि वेट करते करते सो गया, मतलब वर्क ही काट।
Okay, the lady is a working woman, she comes late and he went to sleep. Okay, yeah, you make. Shahrukh.
Yes. Sir, my approach would be they're from a poor background and the man has slogged the whole day, came back home and slept. So the lady is feeling sad because of their condition and that is it.
Okay, look at this now. All of you have made a different, I'm not going to take much time in this, but do the way the lady is dressed, the man is dressed, the way he's lying there, do you think they are from poor background? Okay, maybe, but at least middle class background is okay. Do you think the lady is definitely unhappy? Can she be in a good mood?
No, sir.
Then why the hell for every story you write that they are in positive mood? They are not. So don't change the setting of the picture. This is what I am trying to say. And look, the man is what? Is he sleeping? Then what is he?
Unconscious.
Yes.
Starts being drunk.
Yeah. So he could be drunk, he could be unconscious. So this setting of the picture should not be changed. You can't change that. The story has to revolve around this woman crying, the man either unconscious or drunk. And the story can build up thereafter. Or even you can make somebody said he overslept. Yes, that is a possibility. Okay? This is what I am trying to say. Now, other mistakes which people have done, common mistakes, is look at this. Over glorify reward seeking and headlines. You know, for a small action, like in an accident, your hero went and helped them, take the victim to the hospital, and thereafter you straightway give him a national award, or you put him in the headlines next day in the newspapers. So this is a typical tendency which is reward seeking. It means you guys are only going to work when there is a reward, when there is something to be given to you, otherwise you will not work. Okay? That tendency is wrong. Serious conclusions. Now today only, in this story which I have just checked, there has been some serious conclusions, and particularly conclusions related to death, divorce, suicide, accident should not be there. In one of the story, my friend Achyut has written that he killed his wife, murdered his wife. Don't mind, you'll learn gradually, and apprehended by the police, though later on he was found innocent. Am I right or wrong? So, was there a requirement? It was such a happy scene. Where did you invent this bloody murder? So, anyway, that is the story, but we got to think in a normal happy scenario, see the conspiracy which is working in your mind. Such are very serious kind of conclusions which should be avoided and which are mostly unrelated with the story. What is the next one? Sad, serious, negative assumptions. Now, in one of the story was a boy was talking to his mother. Okay, the sister was watching from far in the previous one. And half of you assume that the lady is a widow. Isn't it? Half of you said that the lady is a widow, and how do you say she is a widow? Her husband may be in the forge or maybe working person, may not have come back from office. The boy is arguing with his mother or something. So assumptions, such kind of assumptions may put you in a tight spot. Okay. All about armed forces. Now, this is a common mistake again, but initially you people do it, later on it becomes okay. And all the stories you try and make it about the armed forces. Whatever is happening, after that he wanted to become an officer, then he appeared and then he went to the academy. You see a scene, he is fishing somewhere in the river and you ultimately take him to the armed forces. Anywhere, whatever he may be doing, the people, 4 friends are going on a picnic. Ram, he went to the picnic, but he was very keen and very passionate about the armed forces. He became an officer. So you can't think beyond the armed forces. So it looks very artificial and very, very, unrealistic. So avoid that. Okay. Lacks imagination and creativity, only superficial. Yes, this is a major mistake now. Once you have overcome other minor mistakes, you need to have a better imagination to write a better story. You need to have a bit of creativity. Otherwise, your stories are mostly superficial. You are not going little deeper. You can't think of more options in the story. So that is where it is lacking. I am sure that today evening we will have another set of 6 stories. You have seen this. I would suggest you all read each other's stories. All those who have got better marks, see how he has written. And I'm sure after writing 40, 50 stories, definitely you'll find a change in you and you'll be able to write the stories which really the psychologist in the SSB is looking forward. Any doubt? No, sir. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure that you like this video and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for all the future updates. If you're new to this channel, then do check out our other videos as well. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram.